Hi everyone, this is Eylem Cülcüloğlu. I'm a very popular trader in Turkey with a lot of followers, and I have a success rate of more than 85%. I trade on Bitmex and I make daily trades. I have developed a platform that allows copying my trades automatically, and this platform is totally free of charge. In this video I'll be showing you how to use this platform. It's called Mexcopy.net. And you can go to Mexcopy.net and create a free account here. You just click on sign up and enter your username. For example, let's make it test555 and let's enter the email and then our password, and you should agree the terms and policy. Please read this and agree, and if you only agree, please use the source because there are risks involved in this. Then you click on register, then you're registered, then you can log in. There's no email verification. You can just log in with the username and password you have used, and once you click sign in, you're ready to go. And what you need to do is you need to set the API keys, and you click on settings, and here you can enter your Bitmex API and Bitmex secret key, and I'll tell you how to do it. First, you go to your Bitmex account. You need an additional Bitmex account for this because you should never use this account manually, because otherwise it will be a problem. There will be problems. So you should use a brand new account for this. An additional account for this. And if you do not have a Bitmex account, please go to coinvision.com and click on the Bitmex banner to sign up for a Bitmex account, and by clicking that link you will receive a 10% discount. Once you have your Bitmex account ready, you go to account and you click on API keys and you give this a name I have created before, so I'll just give it Mexcopy 2. You leave the CIDR empty, you give the key permissions as order, and you do not choose withdraw. That way no one can withdraw money from your account. Then you generate a two-factor token with your Google Authenticator 203762, and you click on create API. Then you have the ID and secret. Then we copy the ID and we put it here, and we then copy the secret key and we copy it here, and then we click on confirm, and we will wait a little bit. Then it's ready and it shows our latest orders that you can see here. Then you have to go to copy settings and you have to choose the order sizes according to your needs. It comes default with 95% with 5 leverage. But you can set it to whatever you need. For example, if you want to use the 20% of your available balance on every trade, then you can choose it 20. Or if you want to use like 90, you can choose it 90, or maximum it will be 95. Because as we go market order, you cannot use 100%. Then you set the leverage. I highly recommend not using more than 5. You can use less, but I do not recommend using more than 5 leverage because my take profit and stop loss levels are set to low leverage trades. And once you click confirm, you're ready to go. You do not have to do anything else. Whenever I give a signal, it automatically enters the signal, and a lot of Turkish people using this service. There are more than 2,000 people currently using this, and as a lot of people using this service, we have huge volume and we do affect the price. You can see my Twitter profile here, and here's my name, and you can see I have 19,100 followers, and I give the signals manually here as well, like this. Bitmex short, long, and take profit levels and stop loss levels. Thank you for watching.